So today I'm going to show you how to screen scroll in The Legend of Zelda. Pretty easy trick, not too difficult. First we're going to grab the sword. And you'll see here I'm playing on the practice buffet ROM, which if you have any way to use ROMs is definitely the way to go. So first thing is we're going to get 5 pixels from the edge of the screen. And usually how I like to do that is if I'm a little far away, I'll reach over. I'll just, oops, I was in the spot and I tapped out of it. So we'll just like tap myself, see now I'm there. Now I'm 5 pixels from the edge. I'm going to do a 1 frame tap. You can do it up or down. I usually go down because I use my left thumb. And you'll find a lot of people have different techniques, but this is how I do it. And I just do a little flick. Then once he does that 180, you can just walk on through the other side. Get there. Oops, that was a 2 frame tap. I felt it. And then see, bada boom. You'll see some people, I think one of the common methods is people will go up like that. That's a common, but I find that to be difficult. And that works for both sides. So like that. Now, on the left side, you have another way, and this is why I grabbed the sword. You can get to the 6th pixel instead of the 5th. And then you do a down plus A at the same time. And then we'll do that, and you can just walk on across. That only works for the left side, though. And those you usually want to, I usually try to shoot in, and they can be faster if you're good at them. And bada boom. And that's how you do left to right and right to left. There is vertical screen scrolls, which we will do. I will come up here because I know up here you can't do them everywhere because the blocks in the HUD are pretty weird. So first thing we're going to do, this is a great thing about the buffet ROM. So we're going to clear the enemies, and then we're going to get, notice we're still on that 5 pixel. This time we're going to go left or right with a 1 frame. And we can do something like that and come up through top. It really doesn't save time unless you do it with task-like accuracy. Other than that, you're probably going to lose time trying it, but it looks cool. And it's not really many screens you can do now because, like I said, the HUD gets pretty funky. Let's see, let me come over here and I'll just do a quick. Let's clear the enemies. We'll come up here. Oh yeah, you can also clip into the HUD, and of course, but you'll see. Oh no, okay, it's not funky over here. Okay, yeah, see, there you go. There's like weird blocks. So you can't vertical everywhere. It's like mirrored or something. Yeah, it's. But yeah, see, okay, there we go. But that's how we screen scroll. It's pretty simple. It looks a lot harder than it really is. Most people don't start using them until they've had a couple of runs under their belt, but especially if you have access to something with the ROM, if you play with a Mister, Nintendo Classic, if you have an EverDrive, or just a general emulator on computer, it's get the buffet ROM, then you know exactly where you're at. But that's that. That's that trick right there. It will save you 2 seconds of screen, give or take. That will be the end of today's lesson.